Hey everybody, welcome to another splatter video, and today we're drawing a kingfisher bird. So we'll start right here at the top and we draw a strong long beak, and then in line with the beak we have an eye, and from the eye we draw a head shape over there. So the kingfisher, his head is rather big compared to the rest of his body, so we draw in the body over here, and that's that, just a little body, and they have a little tail like that. And our kingfisher is almost complete, and they have short legs as well. So this guy is sitting on a little branch, and we make a little branch over here. You can make your branch however you want to, and in his mouth over here we're going to draw a little fishy, because that's what they do. They dive down into the water and they go get some fish. That's why they're called the kingfisher bird. So he's got a little pilchard or something, little freshwater fish maybe, and we draw the eye, color that in, and we add a line over there, and from this area we can draw the wing bit and another bit over there and another line over there, and that is basically our kingfisher bird. Strong beak, big eye because he's a predator like that, and he's got a little fishy in his mouth, short legs, big head. So that's basically what a kingfisher looks like. There are different species of kingfishers, but these little characteristics are what makes him a kingfisher: the big beak, the big head, the small body, and the short little legs. Some of them do have, there's one species that has a long tail. Some of them are quite big, but they're generally small birds. And when they dive down, got my water down here, they actually make a perfect symmetrical shape. They hit the water with their beaks as they go down, and draw my birdie's head over there, and they make this perfect little symmetrical shape. There's the shape coming up, not bad for a quick, and they make the little shape like that, and the tails would be there. That's what they do. So they make these little, got some markings over here, and their feathers will kind of spread out like that, and that's our kingfisher. So now we get to coloring. Kingfishers, a common species, has this blue color. Nice bright blue color. Really pretty little birds, and we're making quick work of this with the wider tip of our marker. That's basically what he looks like. And then we have this orange marking here, and on his tummy. And then we have this grey color for the beak. And that's our kingfisher bird. It actually looks quite good. So now, very easy to draw, so anyone can do this. Add some color to the branch. I seem to always be drawing trees without leaves, staying within the lines. Trying to. Okay, I stayed within the lines. Okay, let's just add a leaf over there and maybe a leaf over here, just to make it look more like a tree. I'll read that with green, and now it's recognizable as a tree. So if you have a little brown color structure with a little bit of green coming off it, you've got a tree. At least in the drawing world you do. So now we'll add some color to the bird down here. It's going to be a bit different because we need to add this color. And we'll do the same over here. So we've very quickly thrown our Kingfisher, and we've very quickly managed to add some color over here, and let's use a bit of green here as well. When his feathers opens up, you see some other colors happening. He's got some markings. You can add some blue back to that if you want, just to line the feathers. And here we have our quick little drawing of our Kingfisher. The dark beak, some of the markings, and here we have it. Do I have a light blue color? Let's check this out. It's not light, but it will do. So when this little tiny bird dives down like that, he manages to go all the way underwater, and actually almost every time almost has a 100% success rate with the hunting. He comes up with a little fish in his mouth. And yeah, you can look him up. He's a really interesting bird, and you can check out all the different species of the Kingfisher bird. Hope you enjoyed the video, people. Please like, do subscribe, click the bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good and have fun. Bye.